Hello friends, welcome to Trading Truth, a place where you can find the truth behind profitable traders. Today we're gonna see what is traded in Forex. The simple answer is money, especially currencies, because you're not basically physically buying anything. Forex trading can be confusing, so we'll use a simple but imperfect analogy to help explain. Think of buying a currency as buying a share in a particular country. Kinda like buying a share in a company. The price of the currency is usually a direct reflection of the market's opinion on the current and future health of its respective economy. In forex trading, when you buy, say, the Japanese yen, you are buying a share in the Japanese economy. You are betting that the Japanese economy is doing well and will even get better as time goes. Once you sell those shares back to the market, hoping you will end up in a profit. In general, the exchange rate of a currency versus other currency is a reflection of the condition of that country's economy compared to the other economies. Major currencies. While there are potentially lots of currencies you can trade, as a forex trader, you will probably start trading with the major currencies. They are called major currencies because they are the most heavily traded currencies and represent some of the world's largest economies. Forex traders differ on what they consider as major currencies. The uptight ones who probably get straight A's and follows all the rules as children only considered USD, Euro, JPY, GBP and CHF as major currencies. Then they label AUD, New Zealand and CAD as commodity currencies. For us rebel and to keep things simple, we just consider all 8 currencies as the majors. Below we list them by their symbols, countries where they are used, currency names and cool nicknames. Take a look at it. Currency symbols always have 3 letters, where the first 2 letters identify the name of the country and the third letter identifies the name of the country's currency. These 3 letters are known as ISO 4217 currency codes. The International Organization for Standardization established the 3-letter code for the currencies that we use today. Take New Zealand for instance. NZD. NZ stands for the New Zealand and which D stands for the dollar. Easy enough, right? The currencies included in the chart above are called the majors because they are most widely traded ones. Hope you learned something new today. Give this video a thumbs up or thumbs down, whatever you like. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I love to read it. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. And finally, do it the right way or don't do it. Thank you.